whole cloves, so I'm gonna put the powder cloves. Condiments for pho. Optional bell peppers. Celery leaves. Main is basil. And noodles. Funnel. Fix it. Celery. Optional. Some leaves. Optional. You will need to your basil. Tapos, we are going to put I'm supposed to strain it before serving, but no time. It's because you don't want the seasoning. Those little tiny one. The soup needs to be cleared. Nothing in it. So you don't want that in your soup. So you strained it so its broth is clean. Good. That's good. Okay, you put your meat. Sometimes you can put sirloin in there. Okay, Dad, you want some jalapeno? So that's how you make pho. The noodles underneath, so noodles will be cooked. And vegetables. And you have to make sure the broth is really hot. Jalapenos of mine. And some bones. We love bones. So my pho is complete. Num num. Manila. Alright, that's gonna be so nice. You wanna go to Manila? No more Papa Chicken. Happy New Year! Welcome 2024! Whoa! Right there. What the heck? Get my phone, Papa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get my phone. Wow, there you go. That's it! Woohoo! You guys heard that? Sounds like they have war back there. This is what we have in the Philippines every New Year's. There's fireworks all over the place. You guys heard that? It's like a bombing. All in the Philippines. Happy New Year, guys! Happy New Year, everybody! And let's welcome 2024. Happy, happy, happy! We love our children. We miss you guys. Happy New Year to all of you guys. We love you. Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? Happy New Year, Dad! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! 2024.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.